भाई ये देखो यार, सो ये दिस इज अ क्रेन है, ठीक है ना। तो जो क्रेन का ये एंकर है, ये साला एकदम ऑटो वाले के ऊपर है? ओ तेरी, तो नीचे भी कर रहा है भाई साहब। अंकल का तो टाइम आ जाएगा भाई, ये तो ऐसे तो। Professional as well as personal, and I would definitely take this opportunity to record some cool videos, visit, even though I have been in Mumbai, I stayed in Mumbai for 3 years, but I would definitely want to create some cool YouTube content and definitely show you guys as well how and what to do in Mumbai, and I hope you like it. Right now I am on the Pune-Mumbai Expressway. It is a very splendid expressway. The roads are well maintained, even though there are many heavy vehicles on it, but we get ample space to drive freely. I am driving at a speed of 90. It's smooth. There are many eating joints along the highway as well. The toll, even though it is on the higher side, but I think keeping in mind the condition of the expressway, which has been maintained all the time, I think it is well deserved. It's good. So this is the diversion for Lonavala, and since we want to go to Mumbai, so we'll take the right side of the road. I suggest and I request everyone, not request, I advise everyone that whenever you are going on a road trip, do carry few water bottles and few snacks, because we learnt a lesson and we always carry something, to eat, something to drink with us. So now there's a food plaza just along the next to the highway. I'll go there and have something to eat. I'm going to go to Starbucks because that's my go-to place. This is basil, tomato and mozzarella. This is creamy spinach and corn pocket. And this is something new I'm trying today. This is a vegan hummus kebab wrap. This is all vegetarian because Navratri chal rahe hain, so everything is vegetarian today. And also we had took some hot chocolate as well. Yeah. Back on the road after a very heavy breakfast. It's around 8:30. It'll take me around 2 hours more to reach you are in Mumbai? The traffic. There you go. Traffic. So this is the Vashi Bridge. मुंबई का ट्रैफिक शुरू. Okay, so we've checked into the hotel. This hotel is in Andheri and it is pretty nice. It's close to our workplace and I'm happy with the property as well. Regarding the videos, regarding the series, so for Tuesday and Wednesday I'll be busy with my office stuff, but Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday I'll travel throughout Mumbai. I will go to different places. I'll make videos. I'll make some content for you guys. I hope you will love it. So stay tuned. Keep watching my videos. Keep sharing your feedback. And yeah, let's see how this series goes. Take care.